Well, it appears that I got one. It was windy up here, so my tracks from yesterday after I left your place wasn't around. But Minnie's very interested. Back off, back off. I'm going to, he really tore this motherfucker up too. I mean, must have been blowing pretty good, because any tracks, like these snowmobile tracks that I'm walking on, I mean, they were here, but they weren't here. And, oh, look at this sucker. Looks all sad as hell. Yeah, let me zoom out. They're paying attention to each other. I haven't gotten that close to look at this critter yet, so I can't really judge anything. I think that rock's got him pinned down pretty good. Alright, let me deal with this guy.